Welcome to DPV Technology. In this video, we will cover the brief introduction of ESP8266 module. So let's get started. You can buy all types of electronic components, modules, sensors at best price from www.dpvtechnology.com. The ESP8266 is a low-cost Wi-Fi microchip module. This module allows microcontrollers to connect to a Wi-Fi network. We can send or receive various data, say sensor values over Wi-Fi or the internet by connecting the module with other microcontrollers. Let's say we want to turn on or off the light bulb or fan, etc. through our mobile phone. Or suppose we want to send the temperature values to the internet. Or we can say we want to send temperature value to a specific website. Or suppose we want to browse some websites data for some of our projects. Then we can use this ESP8266 module to do all these tasks. The module has a microcontroller unit integrated with it, which gives the possibility to control the two inbuilt input-output digital pins. We can use these two pins to connect another sensor directly with this module and can control these sensors with this module, even without using another microcontroller also. This module can be programmed using Lua code, Arduino code, or directly through AT commands. In order to communicate with the ESP8266, we need to choose a way to connect it with the computer. We can communicate with this module through AT commands by using Arduino board as a proxy or bridge. Or we can use USB to TTL converter module to communicate with ESP8266 to directly connect it to our computer, and then we can send commands. In the next video, we will see the basic AT commands used to communicate with this module. Thanks for watching. You can buy all types of electronic components, modules, sensors at best price from www.dpvtechnology.com.